Usain Bolt Statue unveiled. The legend was blown away by the unimaginable honor. A bronze statue of Jamaican sprint great Usain Bolt was unveiled at the National Stadium in Kingston on Sunday, December 3rd, 2017. The statue, sculpted by Basil Watson, who is also sculpting statues of Asafa Powell, Shelley and Fraser Price, and Veronica Campbell Brown. The statue depicts Bolt in his trademark to the world / lightning bolt stance. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, who unveiled the statue during a special ceremony, said generations of Jamaican and young people across the world will be inspired by Bolt, who retired from athletics earlier this year. We are proud of the achievement of our national treasure, Usain Bolt, Holness said. Other countries erect statues of great generals and great conquerors to remind generations of these great feats. Today we erect a statue to remind generations that we too have conquered the world through sports with the achievements of people like Usain Bolt, Prime Minister Holness said. Bolt, who joked that he had to freestyle his speech because he left the prepared one at home, said he did not imagine he would have accomplished so much in the sports. There are no words to describe how I am feeling right now. How is this even possible? A barefoot youth from country. I never ever felt I would be here having my own statue at the National Stadium where it all began, Bolt said. He credited his achievement to his ability to stay focused on the goal at hand, fueled by the guidance of Coach Glenn Mills. Bolt also thanked his parents for teaching him humility, which has allowed him to stay grounded despite his fame. Bolt praised Watson for his work on the statue. He did well. I must say he captured a lot of features, which I am very happy about. And the fact that I have a statue is just a brilliant feeling, Bolt added. He put in a lot of work and he took his time in trying to make it as best as possible. Minister of Sports Olivia Babsy-Grange said, I am feeling good and I am very happy that we have finally unveiled the statue because it is representative of Usain Bolt, Grange said. I am happy that we displayed in a tangible way our appreciation of Usain and his performance, and we know that this monument will be an attraction. All the statues here represent the excellent performance of our athletes and the world-renowned appreciation of our performance, Grange noted. President of the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, Dr. Warren Blake, said that he was pleased that the statue had been unveiled in honor of the sprint legend. I am quite thrilled that a nation has chosen to honor one of its greatest sons and honor him in a very fitting way. His statue now has grace with this icon in Statue Park with Merlin Ottey, Donald Quarry, Arthur Wint and Herb McKinley, Blake said. The ceremony was attended by scores of dignitaries including former Jamaican Prime Ministers Edward Seaga and PJ Patterson. Notable figures in local and international sports were also in attendance, including another Jamaican sprint legend, Asafa Powell, and Victor Lopez, the president of the North American, Central American and Caribbean Athletics Association. Well done, well deserved, fitting, nice, yoga boss, big up yourself. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.